Set 7, Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms and Government of India Act, 1919. 1. The Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms were introduced under the Government of India Act of. Correct answer, B. 1919. 2. The reforms introduced the system of diarchy in. Correct answer, B. Provincial governments. 3. Diarchy divided provincial subjects into. Correct answer, A. Reserved and transferred. 4. Under diarchy, transferred subjects were administered by. Correct answer, B. Ministers responsible to provincial legislative councils. 5. Reserved subjects under diarchy were administered by. Correct answer, A. Governor. 6. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms increased Indian representation in. Correct answer, C. Both central and provincial councils. 7. The Act expanded the voting rights for. Correct answer, B. Indians meeting property or tax qualifications. 8. Under the Act, the Viceroy retained veto powers over. Correct answer, A. Reserved subjects. 9. The Government of India Act, 1919 was influenced by. Correct answer, B. Morley-Minto reforms. 10. The reforms introduced bicameral legislature at the central level, consisting of. Correct answer, A. Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. 11. The Indian National Congress opposed diarchy because. Correct answer, B. It retained significant powers with British officials. 12. Diarchy applied to. Correct answer, B. Provincial subjects only. 13. The Act introduced communal representation for. Correct answer, D. All of the above. 14. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were implemented by. Correct answer, B. Lord Chelmsford. 15. Under diarchy, education, health, and agriculture were. Correct answer, B. Transferred subjects. 16. Finance, police, and revenue were. Correct answer, A. Reserved subjects. 17. The Act allowed Indian ministers at the provincial level for. Correct answer, B. Transferred subjects. 18. The reforms led to the first elections under diarchy in. Correct answer, A. 1919 to 1920. 19. The Act provided for legislative councils at. Correct answer, C. Both central and provincial. 20. The Act retained Viceroy's veto powers over. Correct answer, B. Reserved subjects. 21. Diarchy was intended as a. Correct answer, A. Step towards full self-government. 22. The Act introduced limited adult franchise based on. Correct answer, A. Property and tax qualifications. 23. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms were followed by. Correct answer, C. Simon Commission and Government of India Act, 1935. 24. The reforms are significant because they. Correct answer, D. All of the above. 25. The Government of India Act, 1919 came into effect in. Correct answer, C. 1920. Set 8. Simon Commission and Government of India Act, 1935. 1. The Simon Commission was appointed in. Correct answer, B. 1928. 2. The Simon Commission was sent to India to. Correct answer, B. Review the working of the Government of India Act, 1919. 3. The Simon Commission did not include any Indian member, leading to. Correct answer, A. Popular protests. 4. The slogan, Simon Go Back, was raised by. Correct answer, C. Both A and B. 5. The Simon Commission recommendations led to. Correct answer, B. Government of India Act, 1935. 6. The Government of India Act, 1935 introduced. Correct answer, D. All of the above. 7. The Act provided diarchy at the. Correct answer, B. Provincial level. 8. The Government of India Act, 1935 introduced provincial autonomy by. Correct answer, A. Giving Indians control over transferred subjects. 9. The act introduced a bicameral legislature at the center, consisting of. Correct answer, A. Legislative Assembly and Legislative Council. 10. The act provided for federal structure including. Correct answer, B. British India and princely states. 11. The act abolished diarchy at the provincial level, replacing it with. Correct answer, B. Provincial autonomy. 12. The Government of India Act, 1935 proposed residual powers to. Correct answer, B. Viceroy. 13. The act extended franchise to. Correct answer, B. Indians meeting property or tax qualifications. 14. The act allowed Governor-General to. Correct answer, D. All of the above. 15. The act provided for special responsibilities of governors in. Correct answer, A. Reserved subjects. 16. The act proposed a federal court to. Correct answer, B. Resolve disputes between British India and princely states. 17. The act provided for direct elections at. Correct answer, A. Provincial legislative assemblies. 18. The Government of India Act, 1935 aimed to. Correct answer, B. Establish a federal government with provincial autonomy. 19. The Simon Commission was opposed because it. Correct answer, D. All of the above. 20. The act allowed Indian ministers to handle. Correct answer, B. Transferred subjects. 21. The act was intended to prepare India for. Correct answer, B. Limited self-government within the British Empire. 22. The act retained veto powers of governors over. Correct answer, B. Reserved subjects. 23. The Simon Commission was boycotted by. Correct answer, D. Both A and B. 24. The Government of India Act, 1935 laid the foundation for. Correct answer, C. Both A and B. 25. The act came into effect in. Correct answer, C. 1937.